Oh, really is awesome. Oh, look at that. Wow, majestic, majestic. The beauty of this road, my God. It's beautiful, isn't it? It is getting cloudy. It should not rain. I did not bring my raincoat, so it is getting all clouded. Just look at the view. Wow, beautiful. বাইকটা একটু সামনে রাখি না? Oh, really is awesome. See, these are the perks of staying in Siliguri. You get such mesmerizing views out here. Wow, beautiful. Come to these places. It really is beautiful. Ego thora nichi. So there's Kaushik and his brother, and here is Shomoy and Oyon. Ego এগিয়ে যা হবে। ভিউটা দুর্দান্ত। হ্যাঁ, যেতে ইচ্ছা করছে না। চল। হ্যাঁ, হেলমেট পরে থাকবি, সেফটি আগে ভাই। বাকি সব কিছু ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু সেফটি আগে। The weather has turned out to be awesome. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, I should keep my eyes on the road. Wow, majestic. Wow. This is awesome. Oh, nice. I don't know why people don't want to come out on ride, sit back at home, when you can do so much more with your life. Ooh. The beauty of this road, my God. Never gets old. I just hope like in future also they maintain this road in this condition, because it is really very nice to ride on. Just see, it is so smooth, except for one portion. I think there is a road broken up in front. I don't know if they have mended it or not, but there is like a bump up on the road. Let's check it out. I think it was right after this portion only. Where did it go? Oh, so they have mended it. Slow down. Okay, they have mended it. That's good. Nope. That was the point. The GoPro's battery died, so I had to change it. So yeah, we have reached Tindharia, and now we'll head towards Gidda Pahar. It's been a long time since I've come on this road, so yeah, I'll ride carefully. Everyone has gone ahead. They might be waiting somewhere in front. Seeing the weather condition today, I think we might encounter rain on our way back, or maybe on our way to Gidda Pahar. But yeah, if there is rain, and then there will be no fog, and we'll get an excellent view. Oh, this is the place I remember. Yes, it is very narrow. They are stopped here. Kiolo. Oh, that's a nice view. Wow. Nice. Look at the clouds. It is surely going to rain, but it looks very mystical. That is what I like about the hills. The weather changes so frequently that you can enjoy different kind of weather in one ride itself. Just look at it. Wow. Awesome. This is the Tindharia railway station, which is under Darjeeling Himalayan Railways. Look at the view. Oof. Wow. North Bengal is awesome, no matter what anybody says. When it comes to scenery and scenic beauty, North Bengal is among the top. Ooh, just look at it. That's awesome. ভিউটা দেখছিস? বিউটিফুল। চ চ চ এগো এগো এগো। My god, the road is very narrow. Have to be careful here. If a car suddenly comes from the opposite end, it will be problematic. No, it's not there. Just look at the brake. Oh, I'm in love with this bike. This is awesome. Well done, BMW. And really thanks to BMW to make a bike in our segment where like we can also afford to buy it. Oh, matter of seconds. Really awesome. Whew. In every corner you have got beautiful mountain range. How many places are we going to stop? Oh, this one we have to stop. We have to stop. Can't do anything about it. This valley is awesome. Can you see the view? Just go to the wrong side once to show you the view. That was awesome. আরে এত সুন্দর ভিউটা। You know, the beauty of mountains is when there are clouds and there is fog. It looks very mystical, and you have to be physically present out here to actually experience this. I'm glad that I'm born in North Bengal. There is one thing that always calms me down: the rides and the mountains. For others, they have to go to various places to come in touch with Mother Nature, but being from North Bengal, this is a good thing for me. We can easily connect with Mother Nature. आराम से। I've come long time back. I think I came last year to Gidda Pahar. That time also we got an awesome view, but it was during the winter, so we did not get to see Paglajhora Falls. So this time, hopefully there will be water and we'll be able to see the falls. I think that is the Gidda Pahar top where we'll be going. You can see the nature of road has changed right now. Suddenly it is going uphill. Till now it was gradual till Tindharia, but after that you're gradually going up. I don't know, like GoPro has a very good stability, so you'll be able to understand or not, but yeah, it is a ride uphill. From here also we can go to Darjeeling. First it connects to Ghum and then Darjeeling. So maybe when we'll come for a night stay in Darjeeling, we'll come through this road. Are you ready to treat your eyes to some majestic views? Are you ready? Here we go. This is one of the best views which always takes my breath away. Just look at it. Oof, I always get goosebumps whenever I come to this place. This place is awesome. Still now, like, it is covered in clouds towards the top, but when the clouds are not there, it is even more majestic. And there you can see the falls. That's the Paglajhora Falls. We have almost reached this place. I have no words to describe it. It is so awesome to be here. If you are from Siliguri, if you are seeing this vlog right now, leave everything. If it is a Sunday, it's a holiday, come here, enjoy this view. It is worth it. I think I have to slow down here. Yeah, the road is not okay. And I think there is one more waterfall here. Small one. Here you go. Can you see? Looks awesome. That was one waterfall. Yeah, there is another one here. A smaller one. But yeah, still it looks good. But we'll go to Kalichora Falls. That is the main attraction right now. Seeing that we have water in all these falls right now, I'm pretty sure we'll have a lot of water in Kalichora Falls. We have reached to Kalichora Falls. We'll take a stop here. না রাস্তা ভাঙা আছে নাকি সামনে? রাস্তা ভাঙা সামনে? রাস্তা ভাঙা? না ঘুরে চলে আসছে যে? We have finally come to Paglachora waterfalls. We will see if we can go ahead. Let me show you from here. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, it was worth it to change our destination, but seeing the road condition, we don't know like if we will be able to go in front or not. So we'll check that and then we'll decide if we'll go ahead towards Gita Pahad, because it might rain very soon. The sky is not looking very pretty right now. See? We'll take a decision and then we'll decide if we want to go or not. That was the Paglachora waterfalls. The road condition is not very good in front.
Very good.
No? See, he is getting stuck. Sir, দেখ চাকা স্লিড করছে, দেখ 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 পড়লো, আবার পড়ছে। ভাই আমি যাচ্ছি না, আমার স্কিড করবে চাকা। ফেরার সময় অসুবিধা হবে আমার।
হালকা হালকা
property